Hey guys, what's up? You think that I'm fucking tired? That's because this is my fourth take. You think? So what? It's your fourth take. What's the difference? The difference is all of my videos that I have ever done on my channel took one take. This took fucking 4 takes. That's it. 4 fucking takes. So this is a 5th take. So I better not mess up in this shit. Okay, so my announcement is, as you've seen in the title, that I'm going to a water park and I'll be gone for a few days, probably 5 or 6, okay? And I'll be maybe going to the sea and I'll be gone like around 2 weeks. I just announcement and but yeah. So when I'm gone, I may make videos, and if you want. If you want to know where I am, I probably will be in the next day. I'll go to Borjomi. Fuck, hiccups. I'll drink water. Be right back. I've already interrupted you guys. I've already interrupted the video. For fuck's sake. It was real hiccups. I'm just not making watch time longer. Sorry guys for the bad content. But yeah, if you want to meet me, probably in the Borjomi the next Sunday. Borjomi, Georgia. For fuck's sake. If I fucking hiccup again, I'm gonna take the 6th. I'm gonna make this the 6th take. Yeah. So, yeah. And so if you want to meet me, I'm in Borjomi, Georgia, which is a country. Suck on it. Yeah, it's a country. And I'll be probably in the amusement park, probably like the most famous amusement park, and there will be like a water park there. You can meet me there. So, thank you guys. I'm gonna put the warning for the hiccups, and bye bye.